You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? No, no. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up, don't you know? No, no. You've got to pump it up, got to feel it. What's the name of the jam? Say I can feel it. You know you can. I've got my groove on, and I'm ready to go. Check out my flying girl, but don't touch my radio. No, don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? No, no. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Don't you know? No, 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 no. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up.
So you got to sing along. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Got to feel it. What's the name of the jam? Say I can feel it. You know you can. I've got my groove on, and I'm ready to go. Check out my ride, girl, but don't touch my radio. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. The body jumping, yeah, and the vibe feels so strong. Throw your hands in the air, lift your head up high. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know? Pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know?
Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, your heart is drifting out of reach. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, your heart is drifting out of reach. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized. Has capsized. Gotta find my way to you.
Yo! We're rocking today. Sunday fun day, baby. Sunday fun day. Let's go, bro. What's up, Jiggly? Jiggly, that's funny, man. Steve D. Scatic. We got new all-time highs, baby. This pump is suspicious. I think everyone's saying that. Everyone and their mother is saying that. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'll turn off the game music, okay? Anyways, what's going on? Wayne, what's up, bro? Dion, DJ TaylorMade, Crypto Shock, Jackson Crawford comes in and gives the 5.
Bruh.
Let's go, bro. Let's fucking go. We do have a Sunday pump, so we'll talk about that. Is this going to be the pump that gets us like to the next 110K level? Well, we'll talk about that. I don't know. I don't know if it is. We'll talk about that, but I do like some all-time highs. I do like some all-time highs, baby. RJ, what's up, bro? Tom Selleck. Who else we got in here? We got Hose and Sauce. There's a CME gap in your pants. There's one of mine too, man. There's definitely one of mine too. Shout out to Jackson Crawford though.
Bruh.
Let's go, bro. But we got Bitcoin. Bitcoin hit 105K on this beautiful Sunday. Is this the move though? Right? And honestly, who won, by the way? Who won the memberships? We got Hose Honest. I was saying Hose. Honest Crypto, Danny D, who was making fun of my music. That's okay. My music does suck. It is gay. Kareem, Matthew Scott, Automatic Beats. Let's go, man. Let's go, man. Yeah, my weekend was good, guys. I drank a lot of wine and shit. In case you guys want my weekend update. A lot of wine this weekend. A lot of flannel shirts. And a good time. A good time. A good time. Anyways. Yeah, Bitcoin hit 105K, right? Is this the move that's going to get us up, right? Now, I don't know if this is going to be the exact pump that's going to get us up. We still have FOMC coming up on Wednesday, so just be, obviously people are probably going to be taking some profits and hedging into FOMC on Wednesday. So, I mean, at the end of the day, just like we've done at all these moves, right? When we have higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? We just put in another higher high, okay? So, could this be a higher high before we have to come down again into FOMC, right? Put in a higher low into FOMC, right? And then go up again, okay? I don't know. I don't know if we're going to do that or if we're just going to pump from here. To me, I don't really care. I'm sitting in spot. I'm fucking comfy. I'm sitting in fucking spot. Either way, I think this is going higher, right? This is classic vertical accumulation. And it's fucking phenomenal. It's honestly great. It's honestly great. So 110K is the next level we're looking for, right? Psychological level, 110K. Let's freaking go. But either way, whether we top out somewhere in here and we come down again Tuesday, Wednesday into FOMC, either way, I think this is going higher. It is what it is. Or we just pump from here, which I would totally be fine with that too. But comfy in spot. I don't care if we go down again. Just let's get this show on the road, man. Let's get the show on the road. Wayne said I have Mexican food and takeout margaritas on the way. Dude, let's go, man. Dude, after the stream, I got a fat calzone to eat. Fat calzone. Absolutely fat. From a family party today. Dude, I love when you go to a family party and my aunt's like, hey, Jared, you want to take home a calzone? I have a whole one. And I'm like, wrap that shit in saran wrap and give it to me now. I want that shit right now, bro. But yeah, dude. I got a whole calzone waiting for me after the goddamn stream, and I am pumped, dude. It's like the size of a size of a fucking watermelon. and I'm gonna eat that whole thing while I watch some type of basketball game, and it's gonna be great. It's like the perfect Sunday for me. It's the perfect Sunday for me, man. Especially when you got Bitcoin pumping. But anyways, we got Bitcoin pumping, guys. So I think what we can do is take the range, right? And let's just look at the local 1618 fib, which is actually at 111,799. All right, so that's kind of between there and 110K, which is obviously the psychological level. That's kind of the levels I'm looking for Bitcoin. But dude, let's fucking go. I told you, like, for me, this reminds me a lot of, and we've been talking about this the last couple of days, reminds me a lot of this time period right here. Right, if you've been watching the stream the last couple of days, Bitcoin broke through this 30K level, all right? Smashed through the 30K level. And what did you have? You just had higher lows and higher highs just consistently being put in, right? Until eventually, right, you got that push out of there, right? It was kind of that second leg. This was the first leg, vertical accumulation, second leg, right? And that's what I think we're about to enter into now, which is, this was the first leg on Bitcoin. This is the vertical accumulation on Bitcoin, whether we have to come down again and pump or we just pump. And we're getting ready for that second leg, the second teriyaki leg, up to whatever level, right? Whatever level we're looking at. I don't know. Who knows? Who fucking knows? We'll look at some levels, I guess. But it's great, man. It's good shit. I love it. Let's get Bitcoin up to a certain level, let it consolidate, and let the altcoins run. I'm totally down for that, dude. One Ondo equals one condo. Dude, at this point, one Ondo equals one goddamn mansion. Say it right, Edison. Say it right, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I'm telling you, RWAs are going to be fucking huge. Ondo, Chainlink, RWAs are going to be huge next year. I'm fucking convinced. Chainlink Ondo is my main plays, but any RWA play. I don't even think you have to go far down the list. Pi cycle top indicator. When ETH all-time high? Dude. At this point, it's going to be 2040 ETH its all-time highs. We'll talk about ETH. I'll talk about ETH, but just to continue with Bitcoin, guys, like, it's fantastic, right? It is fantastic, right? I mean, this is just, we're just following the cycles, man. So 104,676. Here we are. We're right here in the cycle. And kind of as we've been stating the last couple weeks, right, as Bitcoin's been consolidating in here, if we're going to do the same thing we did in previous cycles from the lows, which we've done the whole cycle, all right, up to this point, and we just look at where we are right now, all right, let's not do anything else. Let's just look at where we are. Now we're right here, all right? Still doing the same thing we've done in previous cycles, which is move up. Now, this is where it gets a little crazy, guys. I mean, this is where you have to just be mindful of a pullback at some point. Between the end of December and the beginning of January, the last two cycles, we had about 30% pullbacks on Bitcoin. Will we do it this time? I don't want to say this time is going to be different, but I would be wary of some type of bigger retracement on after this pump is done, right? Whatever we go to, right? 110, 120, 130, wherever we go to, I think whenever this current pump is done is when we might see that 30% correction, just based on previous cycles, all right? But right now, we're right here, and off Pepe, the only fan fraud, fuck yeah. But yeah, right now we're right here, we're just following the cycles, and I would assume that's, you know, into the end of December will be pretty good, just based on previous cycles. So that's really that. Nothing really too crazy to add. A level that I am watching for a possible local top, by the way, local top. You know, if you're not a trader, who cares about this? Let's bring this up real quick, which is the Pi cycle top, bro. Yo, V-Sun said every time someone says Ondo, I have to say I got in at 21 cents. Just because this is my only buy low, got high coin after FET, which I sold a long time ago. Dude, we killed FET last year, but yeah, you should have got it early on Ondo too. At least somewhat early on Ondo. But yeah, Ondo's fucking killing it, man. I love it. But yeah, so Bitcoin, actually the level I am watching, guys, okay? And just based off the past. All right. You look at WIF, it looks like balls. Bro, WIF looks like shit, bro. I cut that shit. I cut that shit a few days ago. That shit looks like ass. At some point it'll pump, but you know, it looks like ass right now. Anyways, the pi cycle top green moving average is at 129K. All right, and just to look at times in the past we've been below it. That kind of was the point. Somewhere close to there is where we did see a local top. Right here we did, right? So that's at 129K right now. I'm not going to say we're pumping to 129K, but if we do get up there, if we do over the next few weeks, that would be a level to watch, right? Just based off all the previous cycles, honestly. Here in 2020, right, we hit it. We actually got 2 big pullbacks in December 2020 when we hit it twice right here. And it's actually 2019 and 2017 down here, right? We actually got a big rejection right there. We got a big rejection right there. We got pretty close to it right there, right? So just watch out for somewhere close to there if we get up there. I'm not saying we will, but if we do, just be wary of it. All right. We could obviously get above it, but I think that'll take some time. Anyways, yeah, it's Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, 104,600. We'll keep an eye on Bitcoin as Bitcoin got the highest daily close of all time, baby. Pump song. The highest daily close of all time. Fuck yeah. Of all time. Of all time. Of all fucking time. Smack the like button. Let's go, Dominic. And the highest weekly close of all time. Yes, Anderson. Thank you, bro. But yeah, the highest weekly close and highest daily close of all time for Bitcoin. You gotta love it. It smells good. It smells really fucking good. I love it. All right, what else we got? Should we look at some other shit? Should we look at some other stuff? I think we should. Let's actually look at Bitcoin dominance real quick. It's coming back up. So watch right here. All right. So watch this on Bitcoin dominance. So we got one rejection on the weekly bull market support band. All right. For the first time in this bull market, we have go to the weekly. For the first time, actually technically not for the first time. We did right there, but for the first significant close below ever, well, not ever, since 2022, Bitcoin dominance broke the bull market support band and retested it as resistance. So if we zoom back in, what we got to watch now is Bitcoin dominance is obviously coming up right now, right? We got Bitcoin pumping, alts lagging a little bit, which is fine. What we got to watch now is if this comes back in and gets rejected again on this, right? Another move down and altcoins run, okay? If that gets rejected, which probably means Bitcoin dominance is probably going a little bit higher first. And that would be like right here, bro. Oh, the double tap. Well, technically it was a triple tap, but the multiple taps of the bear market resistance band on Bitcoin dominance before it eventually roll over. Back over here, back in early 2021, January 2021, almost 4 years ago to the date. So that's what I'm watching. Bitcoin dominance probably got a little bit higher, goes into there just like 2021, and starts to roll over again, which would be absolutely phenomenal for altcoins. But for now, it's probably like Bitcoin probably gets a little pumpy dumpy by itself. You know what I mean? Scrumptious, it's absolutely scrumptious, boot. It's honestly very, very scrumptious. It's phenomenal. But that's Bitcoin dominance. Not that we care. Only for altcoins to pump. What else should we look at, man? Let me look at. Let me look over here. Is Franco in here today? I don't know if he is. Shout out to Franco if he's in here today. Steven said, off Pepe, first meme to have OnlyFans. Sounds like a fucking winner, man.
Rant alert.
In today's world, bro, a meme with OnlyFans attached, in today's world, bro, that shit is going to fly to the moon. Absolutely fly to the moon. Absolutely fly. Like ridiculously fly. Crazy stuff. Send it, bro. Just get all the little simps to buy it, and you'll be good. Shout out to Steven with the super chat. Dennis Lawrence, Dennis Lovelice. Let's look at whiff, and then we'll let's look at whiff, and then we'll actually look at like ETH and shit. Whiff, man. See, it's still holding. It's still holding as of now, but you flipped old support into new resistance. You pulled back again. I don't want anything to do with whiff unless it gets back above 304. If it can pump, if you can get a pump this week back above 304 and hold, we'll play it back up to here. But for now, I think there's better plays as long as it's below here, because you flipped old support into new resistance. Fuck off. And there's just better shit out there at the moment, I think. But if whiff can get back above 304, fuck yeah. Then I think it's time to go. And this was just one big retest. But for now, let's see what happens. You are just retesting, so it's not like the end of the world. You just might have to have some patience with this one. It's not the end of the world. It's just like lagging. The memes are lagging behind everything else, which is fine at the moment. But you know, the DeFi and RWAs, I think, are going to be the plays right now, in my opinion. Right? Link, Ondo, CRV, Aave, Lido. I think those are the ones that are going to be pumping right now, because that's like the hot ticket is DeFi and RWAs. But I think memes will have their day eventually. So if you can sit in this, if you want to sit in this until it eventually catches a bid, hey, by all means, let's go. You know football on? Yeah, I know football's on, bro. I am watching basketball. I'm watching basketball. How'd the Pats do? I had to leave the family party earlier. I did. We'll check ETH in a sec. Bro, Bitcoin slut. Bitcoin slut is dead ass asking for hex. Oh no, bro.
Bruh.
Hey, it is pump everything season. So maybe hex goes to the moon too. Wait, let me check what was I gonna check? Oh, the Pats game. Patriots. Oh my god, they lost. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Give me the best draft pick, bro. Anyways, ETH. Drake May looks steeper though. Yeah, Drake May looks good. Dude, that's what I want from the Pats this year. I want Drake May to look good and for them to lose. That's basically what I want. All right, ETH. Still at 4K resistance. We know what we need to do here, right? We know what we need to do. Do we have any clues? Not really. Let's actually go to the weekly. Ah, man. Look at that weekly close, bro. That shit got bought up right on the weekly close. But we know where ETH is, man. Like, at the end of the day, what it comes down to right now for ETH, bro, is we just need to get back above this 4K level. Like, we've been up here 3 times. We failed the last 2 times. We just got to get above that level, man. I think we'll have a pretty nice probably till 5K pretty easily. It's just you just need to get through. That's all it is. That's all it is. Yeah. I mean, will we break it right now? I mean, there's no really bearish divergence. Nothing really screaming no. I think we're due. We're due for ETH to break through here. And I think when it does, that's when you're going to see, when you start seeing ETH moving up fast, that's when you're going to see the real, like, altcoin rally. Like, and I'm talking, like, not just ETH coins, but almost everything. When you start getting ETH showing strength, like real strength, like this is good, but when I'm talking like a fast move that catches everyone off guard type of fast, you know what I mean? When you start seeing that, bro, ETH is going to fucking fly. Dude, absolutely go fucking nuts. Because this is lagged. Like, Bitcoin's basically here, right? up like maybe 7K compared to ETH. So it's got a lot of catching up to do. Anyways, we got the Bitcoin just hit 105K again. Let's zoom back into Bitcoin. Oh, it did. It did. It fucking did. It fucking did. Fucking pump it. Oh, man. Fucking pump it, bro. We want to pump it up. We want to pump it up. Oh, man. Sol? Dude, Sol is straight chilling. Holding Sol right now is like holding ETH in 2023. Like, Sol is straight chilling, bro. Is this the new leg up? It's leaving me behind. Fahid, did you FOMO? If you FOMO, we're fucked. If you didn't FOMO, we're good. Let us know in the chat, Fahid. You're the ultimate indicator, bro. All right. Let's see if Bitcoin can move up again. Other than that, Solana. Actually, let's look at ETH real quick. So, where did ETH have its big rally last cycle? Let's look. Right? It really didn't start. I mean, I guess it did. But, I mean, if you kind of look at... And I saw this on Twitter, guys, so it's just totally not for me. But I want to show you guys what happened from ETH from basically December 15th of the last cycle and 2017. And you guys are going to be like, holy shit. All right, so this is the December 2020. Okay, December 15th, 2020. And then I'm going to mark off January 15th, 2020. All right. What you'll notice is a really, really nice impulsive move. So you're talking about 108 or 108% move on ETH between December 15th and January 15th, okay, of 2020 and 2021. So, and I actually want to go look at this cycle too. And what you guys notice is December. Actually, dude, it was all the way down here, bro. December 15, 2016 to January 15th, 2017. I think that was also... Wait. Am I looking at this right? Oh, no, sorry. I was looking at the wrong date. Wrong date. Fuck me. Wrong date. November 2015 and December 2017. It was also about a 142% move between basically December and January of the, like, going into the halving year or post halving year. Fuck. All right. So it's kind of where we're at with ETH right now. It's like, dude, you get Bitcoin to go. I think it's a matter of time before ETH has like a super explosive move. And typically it does have explosive moves in late December. It typically does almost every single time, almost every single year in the bull markets. So it's time, man. I think it's time to let this fucking dragon loose. Let's get it loose, bro. And I think that'll be good for everything. Literally everything. Literally every single thing. Especially ETH tokens. Like if ETH can break out and you get ETH, dude, you get ETH tokens going nuts. I'm talking Aave, CRV, Uniswap, Pepe, Optimism, Arbitrum. Like those coins would go nuclear. Anyways, we got Bitcoin right now. Break it to the upside. So let's focus on the king. The king is at 105,029. The fucking king, boy. The king. The king wants to eat tonight. He wants to eat. And he wants to eat really fucking good. Really fucking good. Dude, Bitcoin Slut wants to look at Hex. We'll look at Hex. Let's see if Bitcoin can break out, and then we'll see if we can get we'll see if we can get some Hex action in there. As much as, you know, I don't know if anyone really wants to look at Hex, but this is what it is. You know what I'm saying? The king wants to eat, bro. The king wants to eat. I want to eat. I'm done eating ramen, bro. I'm just kidding. Said it. Yeah, dude. Let's see if Bitcoin can break out. And then we'll look at Sol and some of the other faves. We'll zoom in. Excuse me. Chip, time for eat. I hope so. Let's see. We might double top. We might do the classic double top. The double toppy. The double toppy sloppy action. Waterfly said, you look at Hex, I'm out of here. Well, it's a request. I mean, what's worse, looking at Hex or looking at Pepe? I'm just kidding. Obviously looking at Hex. All right, let's see. Here we go. 105.45. Let's do this. We need the Moon Mission song. Here we go. If we break the high, we'll play Moon Mission song. Here we go. Break the high, bro. Break the high, bro. Yeah. All right, I'll be back. All right, we have the countdown. Bitcoin at 105,110. We will have official liftoff to 110K in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fucking great. I love that, dude. It gets me pumped every time. There we go. 105,134. We got some crazy shit happening right now, guys. Crazy shit. History being made again. Right in front of our eyes, bro. History is being made right in front of our eyes. As we got Bitcoin at 105,135. You'll never forget these days. You will never forget these days, my friends. All right? You will never forget these days. What is this thing? Oh, there we go. Fuck off. Let's go. All right. So, all right. Let's check. I saw a super chat for some random fucking coin. I don't even know what that is, so I deleted it. BO Vitality. Don't be shilling like random coins and super chats, guys. Like, if it's a coin that everyone knows, okay, that's fine. But you know what it is. You know what it is. You know what you should be doing and what you shouldn't be doing. You know what I'm saying? Arthur said, you're the man, Jordan. Always fun to watch. Thank you, Arthur. You're always fun to have in here. Oh, shit. All right. All right, let's look at Sol. Well, actually, no, we'll keep it on Bitcoin. We can't get off Bitcoin when it's pumping, bro. You know? We can't. What I'm hoping is ETH can break out on this Bitcoin pump. Like, ETH can get a bid. And ETH can finally break through. Sol, I think Sol's fine, bro. I mean, I think it's only a matter of time on Sol, too. Honestly. Like, I think this is one big bull flag being made here. And I think it's very similar to Bitcoin's price action when Bitcoin hit its all-time high. Right? So, if we look left, this 259 level was the all-time high in Solana. Right? Look, it did the same thing. It went above, broke down below, just like Bitcoin did, right? Just like Bitcoin did, and formed this channel, just like Bitcoin did. And I think it's only a matter of time before you get this move, all right? Past all-time highs, targets like 346 on the bull flag. I think it's only a matter of time, bro. It's only a matter of time. And it's basically just like we said with all the altcoins, bro. We're going to look at a bunch of altcoin charts today. And I want next time you guys see support flipped into resistance, flipped into support, I don't want to see you guys crying. I want to see you guys looking to buy into previous resistances flipped into support levels, right? And there's a lot of setups. So I think Sol is the same thing, right? It's been lagging, but I think it's only a matter of time before you get that next leg. Anyways, Bitcoin, look at that, dude. Ha ha. Let's go, dude. Why do I feel like we're gonna get some like fucking massive squeeze right now? I don't know, man. Let's fucking go, man. Pump it up, dude. I look like one of those memes, dude. You know those memes like you put your head on like the Santa things and they dance like the elves? I look like that right now. Look like one of those memes, dude. Let's go. Ah! Oh, dude, I look like a fucking elf. Look like a fucking elf. I look like a fucking elf, dude. Alright. Anyways. It is. Let's check ETH. Oh, man. ETH's coming back into the zone, bro. ETH is coming back into the zone. For time number 5. Let's see if we can get a move up out of there. Let's go. Come on, ETH. But anyways, yeah, so we talked about Sol. Honestly, there's a few charts I want to show you guys, just to show you. So this is stacks. Okay. Look at what we marked off when we were down here. Look at what we marked off, bro. And look how it played out. Previous resistance. Look at all the resistance levels. Flipped into support. And then look at the move. All right. Look at all these charts, bro. Previous resistance levels, flipping into support. It's just support and resistance flips. That's all it is. All these resistances tested as support by the dip into the support level, and they bounce, right? It was like that across the board. Chain link, just for next time. Previous resistance, flip into support, all across the board. That's all it was. That's all it was, man. That's all it was. That's all it was. CRV, previous resistance, flipped into support. Like, I can go on every chart and show you guys the same damn thing. We did that the other day. All right? It really was that easy. Not that easy, but it was that simple. Anyway, let's go back to Bitcoin. Oh my lord. 106,000. 321 on the corn. We go to 110K? I don't even know where we're looking at right now. I don't even know what we're looking at as the next target, man. Like, honestly. I think, like I said, 129K is the pi cycle green top indicator. All right? That's kind of where I'm eyeing, dude. But I mean, if we're looking at, let's look at fib levels. Let's take this and see if we can get any fib levels that help us here. I don't know how helpful these are going to be honest. I mean, the 1618 right there was blown through. Actually, let's look at the macro. Let's look at the macro. 2618 is at 155K. Right, so those are kind of the two levels I'm watching. I know those sound kind of high, but you got 129K, which is the pi cycle top, and then you got the 2618, which is 155K. Right. So I mean, I know those sounds kind of high, but they're really not that big of a move, dude. Like from here to there, is only a 20% move. Like, that's not that big of a move in reality. And even here to here is like a 46% move. It's really not that big in reality. So those are kind of the levels I'm watching next, man. Like the big levels. Now that we're through the 1618, we got the first weekly close through the 1618 fib. Let's look. All right, first weekly close above the 1618 fib. It's beautiful shit. It's beautiful shit. It's fucking beautiful, man. Just make sure, you know, obviously if you're making massive fucking gains right now and your ball's off the wall, just make sure you're taking a little off the board. You don't need to take everything. Take like 1% out, bro. Don't take all of it out. Don't take all of it out, but you know, make sure you're taking a little off the board every time we get a little pump, bro. Take like 1-2% out to save for a future dip, and you're gonna be killing it. You're gonna be killing it. You gotta be killing it. You really are. Where's Cycle Pearl? Our favorite troll, Cycle Pearl, is probably a fucking whale and always bearish, but he's not really bearish. He's probably a fucking whale. Talking about that Cycle Pearl. That Cycle Pearl is in here. He's already in here, bro. I know he's in here. I know he's in here. Anyways. Yeah, dude. Let's just watch Bitcoin, man. I mean, Bitcoin's a show. ETH. Oh, man. ETH back at 4K on ETH. But it's really the Bitcoin show. So we're going to hang on Bitcoin for now. And kind of do our thing. There we go. He's here. Dude, yeah, he's definitely here. Bitcoin going to 111K in like a day. Send it, dude. Honestly, the higher we can get Bitcoin to go, and then once we get Bitcoin to consolidate, it's when you should see alts start to move. Like, we really didn't start to see, this should be the Bitcoin dominance move up, right? So see Bitcoin dominance moving up, just like we want it to come back into the weekly band. And then that's when we're looking for a rejection for altcoins to move. So honestly, what would be best right now, honestly, hopefully what we get, and this is just hope. Hope is not a winning strategy, by the way. But best case scenario is Bitcoin just pumps, finds some type of top. There he is! There he is! There he fucking is. But yeah, the best case scenario I think would Bitcoin like just get some massive pump, consolidate, and have alts move. Like I did right here, right? This was really Bitcoin's solo rally. Once Bitcoin's like kind of started to consolidate, that's when you started to see like XRP and Cardano and all the like CRV, like all the coins that pumped big. That's when you started to see them pump big. Is once we got into this zone. So kind of the best case scenario is Bitcoin gets some massive squeeze and then goes sideways for a bit, and you let the altcoins have their run. Is kind of what I'm hoping for, but let's see. Send it, boys. Eating steaks tonight. Are you eating steaks tonight? Fuck yeah, dude. I love it. I love the steak eating. Here we go. 106,300. Here we go, man. 9.6K incoming, buddy. Are we going to 9.6K or 109.6K? Actually, let's do the poll. Let's do a poll real quick. What comes first for BTC? 109,600 or the 9,600 CME gap? What comes first for the corn, man? Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. We already did so. You want the Bank of Canada guy? Fuck yeah.
Basically, Bitcoin is clearly a scam. Cryptocurrency is clearly an idiot with no common sense. And scientifically speaking, according to a study at the Bank of Canada, more people who are financially illiterate invest in Bitcoin.
Yeah. 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 We think about MAD? I don't know what that is. 106,476. Man, I think the things we wanna keep an eye on here today. Stacks is finally fucking pumping, dude. Look at that. Finally, dude. But I think the thing we really want to watch today is two things. Obviously, we want Bitcoin to pump up, of course. Number two, let's get ETH to break out. Let's get ETH to finally break out. If we can get both of those things this week, that would just be fire. Absolute fire. Absolute fire. Absolute, like, legit fire, dude. Like, would be the greatest thing on earth. Shout out to Psycho Pro, though. The 9.6K CME gap. Not 28% people taking the poll are trolls. Or they think Bitcoin's going to top soon. One of the two. I don't know. Can't wait to see MSTR. Wait, isn't MSTR being listed on the NASDAQ? Wait, let's see MSTR. Yeah, dude, this chart looks like it's gonna fucking blow. Like, I'm talking blow to the upside. This chart is beautiful. Look at MSTR. It's like the altcoins. All-time high, 2,000. You came back down and flipped it in support. It's kind of nice. We'll see what happens on MSTR. But kind of flip the old resistance and support, kind of like the altcoins on MSTR, which it was already in all-time highs. You know what I mean? Like shit. XRP already ripping? No, XRP's chilling. Altcoins are chilling right now. Altcoins are kind of chilling, which is fine. We saw this in November when Bitcoin pumped from like 60 to like 90, right? Bitcoin got a big pump. Alts kind of were settling down. And then when Bitcoin kind of stopped pumping, you had altcoins just fire up to the upside. So, yeah. Altcoins could hang out for a little bit. I want to get another double tap of this bear market resistance band. I want this fractal, right? If you want to look at a dominance fractal, let's actually take it. Fuck. Here we go. The 2020, 2021 dominance fractal, where you got this big dump. Something like this, which might take some time. Something like this, where you break the resistance band down to the downside, you come back up, you hit your head on it a few times. Okay, as Bitcoin's pumping, you get these pumps up. Bitcoin goes higher, but eventually, what happens is money starts flowing into the altcoin market like crazy. And then you get this big flush down on dominance, which I think would be kind of that second leg on dominance, bro. Which would just be exactly like here. Big pump, fall below, rejection, bonk. Fall below, rejection, bonk. Well, let's find out. We'll find out in the next episode of the Crypto World.
Send near to Mars, rocket.
Oh, fuck. ETH to the moon? Dude, I mean, it might not go, it might not go to the moon. Send near to Mars? Dude, send near to Mars. Near was a support resistance flip too. Look at it. Previous resistance. Flipped into support. Beautiful. It's beautiful. And it doesn't mean we have to pump straight up today, guys. Right? I want everyone to make it clear. There is an FOMC on Wednesday. People always shit their pants going into FOMC. I just want to remind you, there's an FOMC meeting on Wednesday. So just keep that in mind, okay? That there still could be one more dumperoni going into Wednesday. Right? So just have that on your mind. If you're a moon boy who's going 100x long right now, just keep it on your mind. There still could be another move down into the FOMC meeting, okay? Before we get the actual move up. So just keep that in mind, all right? Just keep that in mind. The FOMC meeting, there's always usually the same playbook, which is people get scared, they sell off before. And if we do, then we typically get the pump after the FOMC meeting almost every single goddamn time. Doesn't mean we have to do that. But if we do, don't cream your pants, right? Don't cream your fucking pants and be running around like a fucking junkie being like, we're jumping into the FOMC. Don't be that guy. Don't be that weird guy who gets scared going into the FOMC meeting, which the same thing happens every time. Bro! You kidding me? FOMC! The FOMC meeting's Wednesday. We're fucked. We're literally fucked. Shit, bro. What are we gonna do? Powell's gonna dump us. Christ. Don't be that guy. All right. If we do see it up, we might not, and if we don't, that's cool too. Yo, bro. You guys are saying some shit is ripping? Let's see. Yeah, dude. Ondo, my condo, bro. Ondo, my motherfucking condo. Ondo the condo, bro. Ondo the condo. Yo, ETH is pumping. It's trying. It's trying. It's really trying. Dude, I'm going to tell you right now, if you can get ETH to break out, ETH coins will go nuclear. It's trying, though. It really is. Can you finally do it? That's the question. We got to get, dude, this green box is hell for ETH. This green box is literally hell. So, let's see if it's got the juice to finally break out of here for good. But this green box has been hell for ETH. So, let's see. Honestly, I don't know if it's going to do it right now or not, but I'm down. I am down to do it. Let me close this poll, by the way. 27% of you think we're going to 9,600 first. That's kind of crazy. It's kind of crazy. You guys are a bunch of trolls. A bunch of trolly-wollies. You really are. What else is pumping? Let's see. Stacks. We talked about stacks already. Anything else going to new highs? Cody looks really fucking good. Anything else into new highs? Not really. CRV looks ready for round 2. Look at the daily stock RSIs on these altcoins, right? So that's the thing. Like, we didn't even really have to go down that much. Look at the daily stock RSI on these alts, right? Bottomed out. And just to show you guys, the last time these daily stock RSIs were bottomed out on alts, right? Last time the daily stock RSI was bottomed out for XRP, it was at 50 cents. CRV, shit was at 22 cents. Chainlink was at 10 bucks, right? So like, you've consolidated and you've allowed a reset of a lot of these things. Pepe was at the lows, I guess. Doge has been for a while. Near was at 350, right? And you've kind of reset like a bunch of these which is really, really nice.
Is the app stud.
FET was at 120. Like, so you can see, like, time has gone by where you've allowed these things to reset and have room for a possible another move. ETH just did that. Last time ETH did that was like 3K. But no, we got ETH in the green box, bro. So we got two things going on right now. We got Bitcoin new all-time highs tonight, and we got ETH into the green box of death. Should probably turn it red. Should I keep it green or red? What do you think? The green box of death for ETH. Should we keep it green? Actually, let's make it, you know what we're gonna do? Let's make it purple. Yeah!
Can you have a look at the DX chart, please?
I say let's make it purple, bro. I feel like purple is gonna make it break out. That purple's gonna fire too. Yeah, I feel like that purple's gonna make it break out for now. I feel like this is gonna work. The purple for ETH. It's looking nice. It's looking real nice. I like it. Fuck that box. Yeah, dude, it's like the old Franco line. Dude, why is this jug leaking all over me? Did I just cream my pants? Or did this jug just spill on me?
Shapeshift Fox, 15x5 app, LCX 50x.
Did I just cream my...
October.
I didn't cream my
Fist,
pants.
Fist.
I don't even know. It's kind of soul symbolic. That's what she said. I don't do it. My pants are all wet now all of a sudden. I don't know what just happened. Like, there's no leak on this jug. Oh, there is a leak. You see it leaking? Oh, you see the... Oh, look at how wet that shit is. Oh, you see the leak? How is there a leak on this? What the fuck, man? I'm almost soaked. Oh my god, the purple box. The purple box is not working. We're going to make it work, though. We're going to make it work. Leakage. Dude, there's so much leakage. There's so much leakage. Everywhere. There's water on me everywhere. I feel cold. I'm fucking cold. So, dude, I hate the winter, man. I'm over the winter. Anyone else live in the Northeast or the Northwest and you're just sick of the winter already, bro? I hate cold. I need to move somewhere warm. I can't do this anymore. I just moved back up here. I can't do it. It's too cold. My nipples are hard every day. I really can't do it. All right. What were we doing? What were we doing? What were we doing? We're looking at... I don't even know what we're doing, man. You know what's like a weird play? It's kind of like weird, but if NFTs make a comeback, if NFTs make a comeback, you know what's kind of a weird play? Is Ordi, bro. It's kind of like a weird sneaky play. I don't know. It's like a coin that hasn't pumped at all yet. Is straight chilling. If NFTs make a comeback, I could see ordinals on fucking Bitcoin doing good. It's kind of sneaky. It's like sneaky down there. PA's getting a hold, dude. I hate the cold, man. My nipples could literally cut through a steak. I don't even need a steak knife. My nipples can cut right through it. Literally. Oh my god, man. It's fucking cold. You know what you done? I know what I done. Oh yeah, the purple box is strong, bro. I think we're gonna get through it finally. All right, what else can we look at? Oh, let's look at Coinbase. Let's look at the Coinbase app. shield your eyes, guys. We're about to see a very bright white screen. Okay, and I promise you, it's not me. Okay, I'm not flashing you my ass. All right, this is what it would look like if I flashed you my ass, but I'm not flashing you the ass right now. I promise you. I promise you, I'm not flashing you my ass. This is the Coinbase app listing. Let's take a look. Where are we at through the weekend? Coinbase. Oh my God, we have to scroll. Bro, look at that reset. Look at the reset. Look at the reset on this. Look at the reset, bro. Coinbase app. All the way back down to 101. Beautiful. So we have Bitcoin at new all-time highs. We have ETH literally like 2% away from breaking the cycle highs. But yet we have Coinbase reset all the way at 101. Fucking beautiful. That is what you call a sentiment reset.
SNX doesn't seem bad, especially if ETH
Freaking beautiful. Right? Freaking beautiful. So if you don't know what this means, again, just for everyone who's new, we're looking for the cycle top to be somewhere was when Coinbase reaches that number one spot. 2017 and 2021, the cycle top was marked when Coinbase hit the number one spot. It stayed there for a week. Top was in. Sayonara, suckers. So that's kind of nice. Almost a full reset on that, all the way down to 101, while we get the top two assets almost at local highs. Bitcoin's already at local highs, but that's phenomenal. Phenomenal sentiment reset. Let's check our portfolio. 17,774. We're doing pretty good. I wish we bought the dip with our USDT, but yeah, man, we're doing pretty good with our Bitcoin, Sol, and ETH portfolio, and well, coins too. We're doing pretty fucking good at 17,774. Excuse me, dude. Sorry, guys. I'm honestly burping up a storm. Like, it's kind of crazy. It's kind of fucking crazy, man. The United States government will not be buying via the Coinbase app. Yeah? It's kind of crazy. You think it'll happen again? Yeah, I think Coinbase will hit the number one app. Coinbase will hit the number one app. 110%. 300K is hardly euphoric. 300K? Dude, that's definitely euphoric. That means people who bought the bear market lows would be up like 15x. That is 100% euphoric. That would be a 15x for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin hit 300K. If you bought it like 20K average. Not even if you bought the actual Pico lows. If you bought the Pico lows, that would be like a 30x. If you bought like a 20K average, or even like a 25K average, that would be huge. That would definitely be euphoric. 110%. Not even a question. Dominance started moving down. Let's take a look. Yeah. So I mean, honestly, like wherever this rejects, I'm looking for dominance to reject again here in this zone somewhere in the zone. Right? I mean, from where it is now, it's in the zone. Stay below here and have dominance fucking nuke or nuke from here. But basically a bearish retest of the band. Bearish retest of the band. Send alts. Send alts. Send them. Send ETH. Because if this goes down, it basically means ETH is doing well. But yeah. Let's stay on the topic. Let's stay on the topic. Of the coin. Of the cob. Yeah. Do you think this time is different? How can I word this? Do I think this time is different? No, I don't think this time is different. I think we'll have a top, we'll have a bear market. Every asset has bear markets. You know, I don't think this time is going to be any different, really. we're gonna have a bear market. I mean, will it be a 90% bear market for Bitcoin? I don't know. I can't see a scenario. Like, I think the only thing different that I can't see is a scenario where, say Bitcoin pumps to the 2618. Let's say Bitcoin tops at 155K. I don't know if I could see this scenario as paired to like previous cycles where Bitcoin would go down 80-90% again. I can't foresee that. I just don't see 80-90% of people selling their Bitcoin. I just don't see that. But I still do think we're going to have a bear. It might just be a shallower bear for Bitcoin while alts still get wrecked. Right? So like maybe Bitcoin goes here and then Bitcoin has like a 50% bear market for some reason. I don't know. There's always a reason. But maybe we get like a 50% bear market. Just doing hypothetical. But altcoins still get wrecked. Altcoins still go down 99%. Unless we get some crazy shit that happens next year where some altcoin gets used. I don't know. But I have a feeling that the bear markets will be less for BTC, but the same for alts. That's my guess. That's just my guess. I don't know. Just my wild speculation. Just my complete wild speculation. How are you getting 150 as the 2618? Let's see. Let's see if I did it right. I might have done it wrong. So I took the cycle top here to the cycle low, and I get the 2618 as 156K. Maybe you're using non-log scale. I think it would be the same though. Yeah. Either way, I get 156 as the 2618 fit. You know what I mean? Who knows? Could the reason be the MS infinite money glitch? Maybe. Fucking maybe. 150K top to be a bearish outlook. Yeah, I just did a hypothetical. I don't really know where Bitcoin's going to go, guys. I have no clue. I have a stack of Bitcoin that I'm never selling. I have some Bitcoin that I play the cycles with. I'll take profits on the way up, but I have a stack of Bitcoin that I will never sell. So honestly, I don't know where Bitcoin's going to go, and I know I have no idea where Bitcoin's going to go. That's why I will not sell my HODL Bitcoin stack ever, because I don't know where Bitcoin's going to top, and I don't know if this time's going to be different. So I'll just hold that no matter what. Even if Bitcoin does have a 90% bear market again, I'm just going to fucking hold it. Altcoins, different story. You got to be selling those altcoins. Dude, dominance. Altcoins will get you a little bit of a bid right now. Okay, so here comes the altcoin bid. At least a little bit. At least a little bit. I'm kind of seeing on my watch list across the board. At least a little bit. So here's where we watch dominance. And if dominance can come down again, well then we should start seeing a little bit of altcoin strength. But let's see. But I am noticing a little bit of uptick in the altcoins here. So let's see what happens, man. When we would take profits for Bitcoin, I've already taken profits. Dude, I've been taking profits since like the all-time high. I've been taking profits since right here in this zone. But like I said, I have a stack that I'm never gonna touch. Ever. Nada. Zilch. I'm pretty disappointed in some altcoins so far. Yeah, I mean, just know whenever there's a breakout, Bitcoin's going to lead it first. So Bitcoin's leading the breakout. And yeah, That's usually always how it is. So it's not that crazy. Jared, you said you would front flip through drywall. Dude, I think I said I would do a hot tub stream at 100K. I'm dead. We're gonna do a hot tub stream. You guys want to do a hot tub stream? I think I may be able to do a hot tub stream for you guys. I'm trying to get the date when I would be near a hot tub. Let's see. I think I'm gonna be near a hot tub on maybe the 28th of December. But I owe you guys a hot tub machine, a hot tub time machine stream. I owe you. I think that's what I said I would do. So I do owe you the hot tub stream. Yeah, patience on alts. But they are starting to move right now, actually. Fucking send them, man. Send them. Send them. Send Chainlink to a new high for daddy. Send it for daddy. No, drywall jump face first. You guys want the drywall jump over the hot tub stream? You'll pass on the hot tub. Sounds a little fruity. What? Guys, what do you think I am? What do you think I'm gonna be doing in there? I'm just gonna be sipping on a drink. We're somehow gonna look at the charts while I'm in the hot tub. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll probably just hang out, actually. I probably literally will just get a camera and hang out in the hot tub. Like, what do you think this is? It's not gonna be OnlyFans. You got the drywall. You guys are fucked. You guys are fucked. You would rather the drywall. You'd rather me kill myself on drywall. You mother effers, man. You mother effers. Don't electrocute yourself? You'll get electrocuted? No, I don't think so. Jiggly said SNX doesn't seem bad, especially if ETH pumps. SNX? Shit. Especially if ETH pumps. Yeah, I mean, this is the Wyckoff. SNX is the Wyckoff. We talked about this the other day. So, I mean, whenever we get this next leg, I mean, the target's the top of the range. $5. But yeah, this is a classic Wyckoff. It's beautiful, actually. It's actually quite fantastic. Range, breakdown, send it back up. But yeah, this thing looks phenomenal. I mean, a bunch of altcoin charts look phenomenal right now. Either retests or Wyckoffs. Yeah. Oh, actually, this chart is really, really nice. We talked about this. I think we talked about this yesterday. Maybe yesterday? No, not yesterday. Friday? But yeah, it's almost the exact same chart as Atom. Cosmos. Wyckoff. Send it. Great. What's Boots' idea? What's Boots' idea? Oh my god, everyone wants me to jump through drywall. It's fucked. You guys are not friends. Friends want hot tub stream, not jump through drywall. For no reason. Lord. You're gonna send me to the hospital. TJ says Shapeshift Fox 15x by February. Good luck to you, man. Steve Lucky said Jordan is the absolute stud. I can be a stud, but, you know, we're not always studs. We're not always studs in this bitch. You know what I mean? Like, sometimes we're not studs. But today we're studs. We're all studs today. If you own some Bitcoin, you're a stud today. All-time highs. You're a fucking stud. Congratulations. 24-hour stream? Oh, 24-hour stream, bro. 24-hour stream. Man. I gotta find a day I can do that. Shit. 24-hour stream. I'm so down for it. I'll at least try to do it. Like, I'll try my best.
Cheers to everyone on this crazy
Oh,
fist.
God.
Officially 5x my portfolio.
Holy shit.
TC. sitting on a pylon cash and cost-free alts. Let's get these pumps.
Felipe,
Face.
5x off Bitcoin. And all he did was have to buy Bitcoin at 20K. All he did was buy Bitcoin with a 20K cost average. That's all he did. That's all he did. Felipe. Let's go, dude. Felipe, one of the homies. He's out here killing it. I'm getting leaked on. Literally leaked. I doubt you'll ever do the 24-hour stream. Me either, honestly. I think it sounds easier than it actually would be in real life. But yeah. The dogs have to pee and you do too. We'll see if I'm still here. Wait, I'm just kidding. Shout out to Felipe though. You're a stud, man. Let's go, man. And then Arthur said, can I get the DYDX chart? You absolutely could. Oh, Bees said INJTA looks like the Wyckoff and higher time frame. INJ? I haven't talked about INJ. I feel like no one asks about INJ anymore. Looks like Wyckoff and higher time frame. Are we talking like the daily? We talking the daily? I mean, this one is kind of weird. I guess not weird. Weird's not the right word. I shouldn't use the term weird. But I think all this price action here has just been flipping the old highs into this new support, right? So these previous all-time highs from 2021, you had a big breakout, fucking great last year. And then you came back down, you flip it into support, right? All these months. We're talking April to December. 8 months consolidation. You broke out, retested. So at this point, you're waiting. You're just being patient with these, right? So these coins that kind of were big last year haven't really gotten big moves up yet. I think if you have some patience, you'll do pretty good with these. But you gotta have some patience though. But it's a lot of just retests across the board. Previous highs, retest as support, and try to go for it again. Try to go for it again. Round two. Round two, baby. Round two fight like we're playing Tekken. It's like we're playing Tekken. You know what I mean? It's like we're out here playing Tekken. Why? I don't know. I never was a big. Actually, I liked Tekken back in the. You guys ever play Tekken, the fighting game? Great game, by the way. I fucked people up in that game. Not anymore. I probably suck now. Toppy sounds very sus. It kind of does. Oh, DYDX. And then DYDX. It's the Wyckoff, bro. Look at the Wyckoff, man. Look at the Wyckoff. It's beautiful, too. Look at the Wyckoff, man. Oh, get out of here. Come on. 1, 2, false breakdown, back in the range. Yeah. So, I mean, the first target's back top of the range, 377. And then you're waiting for, like, the ultimate breakout. But this is Wyckoff. This reminds me so much of last year when you had these coins that doing this, and then, they all ended up here. They all ended up here somewhere. So reminds me of last year with some of these coins. So another one, patience. I mean, it's just the Wyckoff fantastic beautifulness, sexiness of the Wyckoff. Yeah. But yeah, first look for here. Eventual breakout, retest. But yeah. Let's send it. With all the Wyckoffs. Tekken was good. Tekken was a good game, yeah. It was a good game. Tekken. Fight. Round 1. Fight! I always get pumped when they did that. I still get pumped. I haven't played that game in years, though. Round 2. Fight! Oh, shit. I'm getting way too pumped. I'm getting way too pumped. Look at ETH, though. ETH is showing some strength right now, boys. Dominance kind of chilling. Dominance getting rejected off that weekly band again. Dominance getting rejected off the weekly band. Which means ETH should be showing some strength. And it is. It is showing some strength right now. Inside our purple box of death. Which hopefully we can soon call support. Alright, we can flip this purple box into support at some point. But right now we are seeing some ETH strength in the box of death. With Bitcoin dominance rejecting again from the weekly band. So let's see if we can get ETH to finally break through the 4,000. There's really $4,100 level. Yeah, let's go. Jordan Tekken cosplayer. Yeah. Finish him. Finish him now. If you do not finish him, you will dead. I'm good at doing those voices, I think. I could do it for Call of Duty too. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. What else is this? What else? Dude, I forget what the other ones are. Search and destroy. Destroy. Dude, I could do that. Yeah. Come on. Finish him sounds sus. I need to get this right. Hold on. One more try. Search and destroy. Destroy the objective. Yeah. That'll get you pumped. That'll get you pumped to plant the bomb. I know it would. Oh, shit. That's pretty good. I know it is. Because I played too much of that game. Voice actor was Jordan. Dude, it gets you more pumped than the weirdos they use now. You know what I mean? You can search and destroy this booty. Oh, God, man. That's funny. He actually makes these new voices with his new wife. Dude, I do some crazy shit. Yeah, baby. You like that? Oh, God. Look at ETH. Come on, you dirty, dirty slut. You dirty, dirty slut, you. We're talking about ETH, by the way. Any wives or girlfriends watching right now, we're talking about ETH, not you. We're talking about ETH. She's a dirty slut. She's a really dirty slut. Yeah. A dirty slut. Jared's favorite position is the bear crawl. Yeah, I do like the bear. That's funny, man. My favorite position is the bear crawl. Can you even do it like that? I don't even know what I'm doing. All right, anyways. Now I'm just getting weird, man. What is it, 8:19? Fuck, I still gotta do my laundry tonight. I gotta do fucking laundry tonight, man. Like, ugh. I hate doing laundry, man. That's my least favorite chore. I don't mind cooking. I don't mind doing dishes. I don't mind really doing anything. Honestly, I hate doing laundry, man. Laundry is ass. I hate folding. I really do. I really do. Oh, God, I'm burping up a storm now. Jesus Christ. I think this might be the stream where ETH breaks out, guys. This might be the ETH breakout stream. We already saw the Bitcoin breakout. This might be the ETH breakout stream tonight. I'm sensing some weird strength. I'm sensing some weakness in Bitcoin dominance, and I'm sensing some weird strength in ETH right now. I'm sensing like those slutty vibes. The dirty talk will pump ETH. Maybe. Don't you have a wife to do that shit? No, I don't got a wife yet. Soon though. Soon. Hopefully soon. Maybe in a year. No, just kidding, not a year. Probably 2 years. Probably 2 years, guys. This is the one. This is the one. I'm telling you, this is the one, man. Come on, ETH.
You know what? I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
I'm fucking leaving. The show goes on. This is my home. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard or fucking SWAT team, because I ain't going nowhere. Fuck that.
Let's go. Activate Windows? Yeah, it's on there. Oh, shit. All right, guys. What time is it? 8:30? Do we stay on or do we not? That's the question. Is Bitcoin done for the night? Let's take a look. No bearish divergences yet. No bearish divergences. I don't see any no bearish divergences on any time frames. 1 hour, 15 minute, or 15 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. I don't see any bearish divergences. ETH, dude, ETH. It's gonna be the ETH night. I'm feeling the ETH night. Stay. It's not done. You can't go. Oh, man, you don't think it's done tonight? I honestly don't think it's done either. I don't think it's done either. Wait, you guys want me to stay on? I'll deadass stay on. Hit the like on the stream. I'll stay on longer. Okay. Hit the likes on the stream. I have to go switch my laundry over though. So let me go throw the laundry in the fucking dryer. All right. And I'll stay on. All right. But I got to throw the laundry in the dryer, bro. That's definitely something I got to do. All right. So I'll be on in 2 seconds. That's like definitely something I got to do. Let me keep ETH on, because I think ETH is the one to watch right now. At least hopefully it is. It's a fake pump. I don't think it's a fake pump. Well, actually, let me, all right. Switching laundry. BRB. All right, a BRB. All right, be right back. I'll play some tunes for you. Try with some tunes for you while I'm gone. All right, I'll be right back, fellas. I'll be right back. Don't be weird. BRB.
Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
BRB.
You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, no. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up. You've got to pump it up. Don't you know, pump it up.
Yo, this song, bro. It's making it dumb. Making us dumb.
It's delicious.
We're back. All right. Laundry's done. Laundry's done, baby. The worst chore in the game. Oh, great, dude. Dude, I knew that. Yeah, Hops. I knew that song was coming on. Because on the list, it goes from this song to this song. I knew that song was coming on next. I know you guys would like that. I know you guys are going to be like, what the fuck is this? He listens to this shit? That's great. Anyways, nothing happened while I was gone. Literally nothing. Perfect. All right. Cool. Short the shorts. Did you fold it? No, I didn't fold it. I literally poured it on my bed. One of them I poured on the bed. The other one I had to put in the dryer. So, yeah. Can you notice me, said Lance Misa? I can notice you. I literally notice you, dude. I'm noticing you right now, actually. Drones were bullish as fuck. Yeah, I mean, who thought the drones were going to be bearish? Like shit. Man, all right, guys. I said I was going to stay on, and you guys had to stay. You guys had to sit. You guys had to sit through that whole fucking weird ass song, bro. I don't think anything's gonna happen right now, man. I think that was maybe it for the day. I think that was maybe it for the day. And we're heading into the Monday Open tomorrow. So maybe we consolidate here for a little bit. But I think that might be it for the price action for right now. I wouldn't be shocked. So folding's bearish. It kind of is, actually. It kind of is. So I think it's a good time to wrap it up, guys. As much as I want to stay on, I think it's a good time to wrap it up. I think we probably consolidate here until the morning, until the Monday Open, and see what happens next. But honestly, the thing to watch, though, is, can ETH break out? And if ETH breaks out,
Bruh.
Bitcoin dominance goes down.
Strap up, we're going to the moon.
I don't even want to know what's going to happen. If Bitcoin dominance is going to reject here again. I don't even want to know what's going to happen, bro. And I'm talking good shit. I ain't talking bad shit. I'm talking good ass shit. All right? So we'll be back tomorrow. All right? And hopefully we get some of these coins. I mean, hopefully Bitcoin's at 110K. Bitcoin's back above 4,100. And we have a good fucking time tomorrow. We'll have a good fucking fun ass stream tomorrow. I would love that. All right? So see you guys tomorrow. Happy Monday. And take it easy. Peace.